Hi, I'm Brian Levings, Midstream Product Manager at Kimray. Today I'd like to introduce you to Flo-Tite's multi-choice and tri-pro ball valves. These dynamic, high-performance three-piece valves are long-lasting, cost-effective, and easy to repair. These valves are designed with cap screws that hold each end cap in place, instead of the long bolts, washers, and nuts like most other three-piece valves. These cap screws are fully encapsulated, protecting them from the outside environment. They enable perfect alignment of the seat with the ball, even during field repair. Another unique feature is the weld-in-place end cap with heat dissipating rings. These end caps allow customers to weld the valves in line without removing the center body, saving on material and labor costs. In comparison to one and two-piece ball valves, the three-piece valves can be repaired without complete removal from the line. Just remove 3 of the 4 cap screws on each side and the body swings out for replacement of the seats and sills. The Tri-Pro series valves also feature a protected seat and encapsulated body seal design. This isolates and protects the seats and the sills from the flow path, preventing cold flow and allowing long-term performance in demanding applications. These features combine to make the Flo-Tite three-piece ball valves ideal solutions for your oil and gas needs. If you'd like to learn more, please contact your nearest Kimray store or authorized distributor.